Hello, welcome to a Get Started video. Today we cover MarketResearch.com Academic. We'll go over how to access the database, what kind of information is available, and how to use their market research reports. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. You'll find MarketResearch.com Academic on this list. MarketResearch.com is a leading market intelligence agency headquartered in Rockville, Maryland, used by business professionals worldwide. Their database is a top content collection of market research reports on a wide variety of topics. Each report is a packaged overview of key trends, statistics, market forecasts, opportunities, the competitive landscape, notable companies, and more. Here is the main page. You can search or browse the content. Near the middle of the page, you'll find the search box where you can search for reports by title or keyword. You can click on the Advanced Search button to input a more precise search. We'll return to the main page for this introductory tutorial, however. Scroll down and you can browse for market research reports by topic. Let's do an example search by typing energy drink into the main search box. Results are ranked by relevance, but we could instead sort alphabetically by title of the report or by date. Let's stick with results ranked by relevance. Each result listed includes the title of the report, the publisher of the report, and the report date. In these results, note that energy drinks are sometimes covered in more general market research reports about beverages. The keywords matter, in other words, and you should always consider related terms that describe your topic. To view the report, just click on the title. We're given a page count for the report and how much it would cost on the open web. All reports obtained through our Purdue subscription are free, happily. Every report begins with a summary. To obtain a detailed outline of every section in the report, click on Table of Contents. This will help you to know exactly what is in the report. For example, plant-based and plant-forward trends. Sports and energy drink brands used. Energy drink with added ingredients for gut health claims. In other words, there's a wealth of data and strategic insights available about energy drinks. To obtain the full text of the report, together with every figure and table, scroll to near the top right of the page and click Download. Terms of use apply. They're brief. They're important. Please read them. Now you know how to access MarketResearch.com Academic, what kind of information is available, and how to use their market research reports. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parrish Library homepage. If you have any questions, please contact the Parrish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.